ladies, I know you are ready for this amazing mac and cheese. So we will need some Velveeta cheese. You just need 1 block, and we're also going to need some 2% reduced fat milk. Now if you want, you can use the whole milk. It's all up to you. Okay, so we're going to put that cheese block in a medium-sized pot. The pot needs to be big enough to fit the cheese in, and you want to put the milk about midway, like on each side of the cheese, to make sure there is enough milk. You don't want to go over the cheese. Make sure you don't go over the cheese. Now we're gonna ball our noodles while that cheese and that milk is melting. We're gonna ball these noodles and make sure they are at the correct length that they need to be at, which means they need to expand, guys. Don't undercook them. Okay, so make sure you are monitoring this cheese and milk because you do not want it to burn. That will not be good. So if you want, you can ball your noodles and tend to your cheese and milk. That's what I do. Just let the noodles ball and just make sure you stirring your noodles every now and then, but make sure that cheese and that milk is stirred properly. Okay, so we're going to drain the water and rinse these noodles off because we're going to place them in a pan, guys. So make sure you're washing them thoroughly, getting all that water off of there. Now if you wanted to, you could have put some salt in that water, just a little tad bit of salt, but it don't matter because you're gonna be seasoning this anyways. So clean your noodles thoroughly and make sure that you're getting all that water off because we're going to be placing it in a pan so you can start mixing everything together. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and place 1 egg in here and season your noodles. And also we're using heavy whipping cream, guys. Now you can also use a can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken in here and replace up the heavy cream. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cheeses. Now this part is totally up to you. I chose to use mild cheddar in here. Also I chose to use Colby Jack in here as well. And guys, don't be shy on putting these cheeses in here. We want our stuff super cheesy. Now if you don't want your stuff super cheesy, that's on you. Mozzarella cheese, baby. We can't go without the mozzarella cheese. That's how we get that stringy cheesy, like oozy. Oh my gosh, I love super cheesy macaroni. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and mix all of that together. I usually use a glove for this part because of the egg. Now that's totally up to you and if you do not want to use the glove or not. Okay, so now we're gonna add that cheese sauce that we had with the milk and the Velveeta cheese. After it's all mixed up, you're gonna add that in here and use a spoon on this part to mix it all together. Mix it all together very thoroughly. This is how it should look, guys. This is how it should look, okay? Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. It's supposed to look good right before you put it in the oven. Okay, we're putting it in the oven at 350 degrees, guys, for 45 minutes. And then we're going to check it again, guys. And this is how it should look when you take it out of the oven because you're going to place some more cheese on top. Okay, make sure you cover it the first time though, guys. Y'all seen the foil paper on it the first time. But when you take it out the second time, you're gonna uncover it and place all these good cheeses on there again over the top. Make sure you don't be shy on that cheese, baby. But we're gonna leave it uncovered that second time and we're gonna put it in there for 15 more minutes to let the cheese just settle on top. Oh my gosh, this macaroni and cheese is so good. Like, I can't wait to show you guys how it looks. Look how it looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I was so proud of myself, you know. I just couldn't wait to let y'all hear this. Watch. See, that's how you know them cheeses is all mixed right in there. Oh my gosh, look at that macaroni and cheese. Guys, look at this. It looks so good. I had to give y'all another look right here. Now y'all got to see it plated. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, Oh my goodness. Like, I know y'all like me. Come on, it's not even that serious. Yes, it is. Yes, it is that serious. Y'all need to make this. Y'all need to make this. Now, if you do not want to add certain ingredients in the mac and cheese, like the heavy cream, and you want to replace it with cream of chicken or whatnot, it's less creamier, I tell you that. But either way, it's still good. Go ahead and try the macaroni and cheese. Look how creamy that is. I'm gonna give y'all a bite first. Look at that. Here you go. Now we're gonna taste it. So cheesy, guys. That's the way I like it. It's really good. Okay, y'all still tuning in? That is great. Okay, so we're gonna try these Clausen pickles. I found them at my local Walmart, guys. I was looking all over for these pickles. Let me tell you, these pickles are like hard to find because they're in a separate spot from what the pickles usually is. But look at all the garlic and stuff in these pickles. I could not wait to try this for you guys. Okay, guys, I'm trying this pickle and we're gonna see how it tastes. Everybody been ranting and raving about this. It's really good. And these are Clausen pickles. These are really good. Kosher deal, and these are halves. Sorry for all the smack. For all the smacking, guys. But these are really good. I found them at Walmart. The first time I went, my earpiece is about to fall out. Give me a second, guys. The first time I went, they were sold out. But I finally got them, but they are not in the pickle section. They were... Where was they, babe? By the bologna and the sausages and stuff like that. So that's where they were. But these are really good. Really good. I give it a 10. Like, comment, and share for the world to see. And let me know if you try this recipe. Tag me so I know you tried. I want to see how it came out. This is extra cheesy, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.